Listen up, y'all. About to drop some knowledge. It's time for change. Break free from bondage. Futocracy's the name. A new game in town. Gonna tear down bureaucracy. Flip it upside down. Open flat network. That's the foundation. No hierarchies. We build collaboration. Distributed authority. Decision-making shared, empowering each other, showing we all care. No more control, focus on the work. Purpose-driven, that's how we'll make it work. New era organizations, we're the pioneers. Futocracy in the movement, let's make it clear. Episodic change, nah, that's old news. In our daily work, we choose to infuse a culture of innovation where change is the norm. Futocracy disrupted the old uniform. We're a community connected at the core, working together, achieving so much more. No more red tape, bureaucracy, be gone. Futocracy's the future, the beat goes on. No more control, focus on the work. Purpose-driven, that's how we'll make it work. New era organizations, we're the pioneers. Futocracy the movement, let's make it clear. No more red tape, no more delay. Collaboration's the key, we'll pave the way. Every voice matters, in this community we stay. Futocracy, our spirit, will never sway. We break the chains, hierarchy's gone. We'll build a culture where we all belong. Working together, we'll be strong. Futocracy, we'll prove them all wrong. No more silos, we bridge the gaps. Innovation's our fuel, no time for naps. We'll disrupt the system, create new maps. Futocracy leading the world in taps. We embrace the future, with passion we strive. Building a better world, together we thrive. Futocracy, where change comes alive. A movement that no one can deny. No more control, focus on the work. Purpose-driven, that's how we'll make it work. New era organizations, we're the pioneers. Futocracy the movement, let's make it clear. So join the movement, let's break free. Futocracy's the way it's meant to be. A community spirit for all to see. Organizational change for a better decree. Futocracy, the way it's meant to be. Organizational change for a better decree.